Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with Verbena tea. How do we grow Verbena plant? Today I'm going to take you through how you can grow this herbal tea. First of all, what you need to grow Verbena is you need good soil, good drainage soil. So if you have good drainage soil, you have a good pot, or you're going to put it in the ground, then you are actually ready. Then the other thing you should understand is it's better to already buy established plants than actually planting it from seed, because I don't really think this plant can be grown from seed. However, you can try to propagate it. It's not so easy to propagate, but I have grown mine from an established plant. I bought a small plant and I grow it. Sometimes it dies down in the winter, and most times it just continuously grows even in the winter. It depends where you live, because if it's in a warm area and your winters are mild, it will continue growing. But last year I had one and it just died, so this year I had to buy a new plant. In order for you to grow this herbal tea, you need one, well drainage soil, very fertile, not very fertile, but in the middle, you know what I mean. The second thing, you need to be able to have a well positioned area. Maybe have sun, have shade. Don't put it in full sun because it may all dry and it may not grow well. So you need have shade, have sun, at least 4 hours of sunlight a day. And the other thing you need to keep it watered, keep it moist. And the other thing most of you ignore is sometimes you need fertilizer. You just need organic fertilizer. Maybe don't use synthetic fertilizer because you have to drink this thing, or just don't use fertilizer at all, because I didn't use any fertilizer in mine. I just keep on watering it, put it in good soil, and just keep cutting it down. The other thing you also need to know is the more you keep cutting this herb, the more it grows. It grows huge and big, and keeps on giving you these nice fragrant leaves which you can keep on using in your tea. And the fifth thing you should also understand is you can enjoy this herb without even consuming it. It looks good in the garden as a decoration because it's green and gives all that leafage and all that kind of thing. So it is a very good herb to look at too. And the last but not least condition is just give it enough TLC. Just love your plants. They'll always grow if you love them. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and see you next week. And don't forget to check out our online store to purchase something in order to support this channel. And that was it about all the Verbena herbs.